Topping this half hour, Townville shooter Jesse Osborne was back in court today for a hearing that will determine how much time he'll spend in jail for the crimes that he pleaded guilty to last December.
Remember, Osborne admitted to the 2016 shooting at Townville Elementary that killed 6-year-old Jacob Hall. In February 2018, there was a waiver hearing where a judge determined Osborne could be tried as an adult. And 10 months later, Osborne pled guilty to 2 counts of murder and 3 counts of attempted murder. Now, 7 News reporter Nicole Ford has been following this story for several years now and is at the Anderson County Courthouse to break down what is happening today. Nicole.
Well, Gordon, this hearing is actually a requirement by state law because Jesse Osborne was only 14 at the time of this shooting. So both sides are presenting their sides of the argument as the judge weighs a number of factors before he determines Osborne's fate. Nearly a year after he pled guilty to his crimes, Jesse Osborne was back in court to begin the process of his sentencing. Investigators say Osborne was 14 when he shot and killed his father before going to Townville Elementary School, fatally shooting 6-year-old Jacob Hall.
My plan is shooting my dad, getting his keys, getting in his truck, driving to the elementary school 4 minutes away. Once there, gear up, shoot out the bottom full classroom windows, enter the building.
While Osborne pled guilty to both murders as well as 3 attempted murder charges, the question remains on how much time he will serve in prison.
You never met Jesse Osborne.
Because of his age at the time of the shooting, state law requires this hearing. The judge will look at Osborne's home life as well as maturity level and ability to rehabilitate after the crimes prior to sentencing him. The state witnesses took the stand first, presenting a large amount of evidence from social media.
Should I shoot up my elementary school or my middle school? The middle school has tons of cops.
Plus, new videos never before seen were shown to the courtroom that investigators say they just recently recovered from Osborne's cell phone from the morning of the school shooting.
This video was made at 11:14.
Your hair straight whenever you go shoot someplace up, you know. Gotta look fabulous, you know. Just gotta look fabulous.
Now, this afternoon, we heard from an investigator who says Osborne's actually now going to be charged with attempting to escape the detention center. If you remember, he was actually held in Greenville County because he was a juvenile, but this summer he turned 17 and was moved to Anderson County. Investigators say they found evidence that he was making holes in the walls of his cell. Now, the hearing has adjourned for today, but we'll be back here tomorrow to bring you the latest, so stay with 7 News. We're live in Anderson tonight. Nicole Ford, 7 News.
Nicole, thank you. Osborne could face a minimum of 30 years in prison, but the state says they're asking for the maximum sentence, which would be life in prison without parole.